Hi everyone, this is your introductions for doing a Flipgrid introduction discussion board. As you can see, I have Google opened up. There are two ways to go on the Flipgrid. The easiest I find is you just Google Flipgrid. I'm going to adjust my window here and then click. The reason you're not able to see me is Flipgrid has an automatic camera inbuilt, and that's why I don't have. So you click over here and you're going to put the Flipgrid code. Your Flipgrid code is 2B7BCF96. And then you have your introduction Flipgrid. So this is your introduction Flipgrid. Another way to go is if you are on this content page and you go to the introduction discussion board, your read me first introduction. And when you come here, there is a direct link. And when you click on this, it also takes you down right over here. So how do you do an introduction? So do you see this plus button? You can just tap on this button. It is going to ask you to log in. If it doesn't ask you to log in, don't worry about it. It is going to ask you to give your name at the end. Most everyone, it asks to log in the beginning. So we're going to wait for just a second. So as soon as I logged in, this is the window that opened up. So you have a minute and a half to introduce yourselves. So let's see, if I'm doing a recording, I'm going to start the recording. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Gupta. I have been teaching for almost 8 years and I love teaching. I have a husband who's also a professor at Midwestern State University, and I have two kids. One is 6-year-old daughter and a 15-month-old son. How did I start teaching? I think I always had a passion to teach. My mom encouraged me to pursue what I want to do, and so here I am. Uh, I joined MSU in 2014. I am originally from India, if you've not guessed. And I did my PhD from Baylor University, Waco, and have been teaching here at the university since 2014. Unique about me. Okay, I cannot say the word YEARS. So whenever I say ears, it sounds like ears. And that is what is unique about me. I can say every other Y word. I can say yellow, or if you say yach, whatever it is, yak. But for YEARS, ears, I just don't know why I cannot say that word. Maybe some of you have something like that. But it is good to have you guys in class, and I look forward to seeing and listening and hearing and reading all about the recording. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Gupta. I have been teaching for almost. Hi everyone, my name is. Okay, so this is what happened. So it was a minute and a half. It finished, and here is my recording. I'm going to press next now. Be with me. I know you guys got a little bit confused, but there was a recording within a recording. Okay. So here I can snap a selfie. I don't like that one. Okay, we'll go with this one. And I can do anything I want to do. If I want to give myself some glasses, and if you want to do that. Okay, just do those, just so to see those. And you can do whatever you want to do. Okay. See, this is what takes too much time. I'll show you guys. That is why I love Flipgrid. All right. And then you press the submit button and it is submit. And you will see that my post is right over here. It is for 1 minute and 29 seconds. And that is how you do it. Now, you're going to, next question is, how do I reply? So when you click on this post, there is a reply button here. You press the reply and you send your reply in. If you have any questions, please, once again, do not hesitate to ask. I look forward to hearing about you guys, knowing you guys, and also actually seeing you guys. Have a great day.